So good afternoon to all of you. आज सवेरे से आपने 3 पुलिस वालों को सुन लिया है मुझे पकड़ के.
तीसरे आप हैं.
And we are all Maharashtra cadre IPS officers. Myself and Aute, we were contemporaries, and Mr. Sanjay Pandey also with us. And Mr. Aute yesterday told me about this, and we were together on 12 days tour. So there was a great discussion about many things. Now I am standing before you as a second phase of my inning of police officer. I did what Mr. Pandey was doing all the life, when Pandey is doing now, which I did all the time in my service. So I was known as वो आमिर खान की जो पहली मूवी निकली थी ना सरफरोज, ACP राठौड़, वो मैं ही था वो. और ये मेरे दोस्त को मालूम है, राजू को. ये सब हीरो हीरोइन मुझे मिलते रहते थे एक्टिंग के लिए. सलमान खान दबंग के लिए, और वो अपना व्हाट इज दैट पुलिस ऑफिसर की संगम वगैरह वगैरह वाले. मैं बॉम्बे में 2001 में पहली बार आया, पूरे महाराष्ट्र में घूमते रहा. मेरा ज़्यादा वक्त नागपुर में गया. मैं डिप्टी कमिश्नर था तब. अपने सम्माननीय मुख्यमंत्री महोदय वहाँ के नगर सेवक थे, उनके मित्र भी आज मेरे साथ इधर आए थे. आज सवेरे की पूरे डिस्कशन से मेरे एक बात समझ में आ रही है कि व्हेन एवरी एजेंसी डजंट कोऑर्डिनेट विथ अदर एजेंसीज, व्हेन द ऑफिसर और his appellate authority fails in discharging of his duty fairly and honestly, then all such missing links, and then confusion, and then complication, then injustice, then exploitation, then corruption, and then failure. Now that is not my subject of discussion today. All through my service career, I was more accessible. I am the man known for talking to every person and helping people without any influence, no question. Smallest man, a totally underprivileged man, ignored man coming, I gave them more privileges and acted on their complaints instantly on wireless and on phone, and my actions were always instant. Otherwise there were no actions, because I used to understand the person what he is telling and कितना जल्दी जिसमें क्या काम करना है, कैसे समझना है. All litigation ends in police action and prosecution and court, as we know. Court is always up of all government legislation, constitutional rules and laws. They are mandatory and all that required to be really observed by all. जैसे पांडे जी ने कहा कि आर्किटेक्ट को बुला रहा हूँ, म्यूनसिपल काउंसिल्स को बुला रहा हूँ, बिल्डर को बुला रहा हूँ, और सबको बुला रहा हूँ, तो इसकी जगह मैं रहता तो मैं क्या करता, पहले गवर्नमेंट को लिखता कि भाई इस लॉ के बारे में आज तक किसी ने इस विषय पे कुछ ध्यान ही नहीं दिया है. क्योंकि आप में से किसी ने कहा ना, कल कोई बोल देगा कि पैसे खाने का एक तरीका खोल रहा है बिल्डर को. एनीबडी कैन टॉक एनीथिंग नाउअडेज. Then I would have taken CM or concerned minister in confidence, Chief Secretary, and told कि now we need to talk to all these architects, builders, and all such concerned people like IG of stamps, registrar. अब सबको बुलाते बुलाते रहेंगे तो there will be suddenly some atmosphere. Though his intention is good, though he wants to really provide service to the people. ज़्यादा का बेचना, पैसे लेना, लूटना वगैरह वगैरह, all that is there. We all know. But taking government into confidence, NGOs like you in confidence, talk. Whatever has happened in the past, correct in 6 months. We give time to you 100 days, and henceforth if found, then all these sections. So there are ways of dealing with the things. He is known for his straightforwardness and upright officer. Mr. Aute is senior to me by 2 batch. I could not listen to his speech because I had one meeting in the morning. I belong to a very ordinary farmer's family. And all through in my service life, I became IPS at the age of 24 only. And because of that village and that farming background and people, though I have been always more kind and respectful to the people who are less educated, poor. And this made me always to think good about them. I have seen how our police people are staying. The policeman जो रुबाब से चौक में खड़ा रह के लोगों पे कार्रवाई की बात करता है, वो किसी झोपड़पट्टी में उसके बीवी को छोड़ के आता है, रेंट पे रहते, वहाँ पर उसका भी शोषण होने का चांस रहता है, होता था। ये चीज़ें मैंने आंखों से सुनी, देखी, इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि सबकी भलाई के लिए ये काम जरूर करना चाहिए, जिससे अफोर्डेबल हाउसिंग आज हम कह रहे हैं। अब इस अफोर्डेबल हाउसिंग सभी कर रहे हैं, आप भी कर रहे हैं, मैं भी कर रहा हूँ और कुछ कर रहे हैं। बट अभी आफ्टर माई रिटायरमेंट एंड इन लास्ट 6 months 1 year, I came in contact and I found some people. We have a special technology to make these affordable houses in the cost which is lesser than what we do. Now Mr. Prabhu said कि 2 साल का व्याज वो भरेंगे। I have a technology which I will be starting with your cooperation if you are okay with me, जिसमें 6 महीने में 1 साल में आपकी बिल्डिंगें बन जाएंगी। ये तुम्हारे 2 साल का ये जब इंटरेस्ट का स्ट्रक्चर ही बदल जाएगा पूरा। Now what is this technology is? This technology we have registered as a global patent technology in Hong Kong as the single cast modular construction technology. Now we have a prefab technology, we all know. This prefab we bring it on spot and do some ready things and then they are brought and done. Now this technology, we have been starting some factory in Taloje and Uttam Steels, you must have heard about them. If you are good and all time good to people, good people will come to help you. Without any background of builder, developer or anything, I have been doing my job. But because I was good to many people, so many people came to me different kind of plans, proposal लेके, and ऐसे ही ये सब सिचुएशन में मेरे पास ऐसे कुछ 4-5 एक्सपर्ट लोग मिल गए, जैसे रमेश प्रभु जी मिल गए, तो उसके साथ और कोई टीम थी, और ये सब अभी 12 एकड़ में वहाँ पर जो रेडीमेड फैक्ट्री है इनकी, वहाँ पर इसका मैन्युफैक्चरिंग शुरू होने वाला है, जिसके लिए हम उनका 100 एकड़ बदलापुर में और 100 एकड़ खोपोली में डेवलप करने का ज्वाइंट वेंचर। अब इसके एडवांटेजेस क्या होंगे? जनरली हम जब कोई बिल्डिंग या प्रोजेक्ट शुरू करेंगे, सब कुछ क्लियरेंसेस परमिशन लेके काम शुरू करके आपको देने में 3 साल लग जाएंगे। बट हम लोग ये काम करने जा रहे हैं, मे बी विथ ईच अदर्स हेल्प, दिस इज सपोर्टिंग विथ टू ईच अदर। बाय द टाइम आपके ये सब फॉर्मेलिटीज चलते रहेंगी, एज पर योर प्लान all your houses will get ready in the factory and we will be transporting them simply, and this is a proven technology which I again repeat, and this is already being done in Hong Kong and Japan and everywhere, and then we have made some उसमें इंडियन रिक्वायरमेंट के अनुसार उसमें कुछ अमेंडमेंट किया गया है। इसका जो रेजिस्टेंस है अर्थक्वेक का, इसका प्रोटोटाइप, everything has been done. I have some projects already in my hand. My hand should be very full with the grace of God, but my main object will be affordable housing. Now our certain officers called Pratap Digavkar, DCP, and one more IG, they have purchased about 300 acres land beyond Panvel. You remember, you are aware? And they want to construct houses only for policemen, those who are constables whose salary is 15,000-20,000 rupees. The other day DS Kulkarni and we had a meeting. I was so happy to talk to him. He said कि सर ये प्रोजेक्ट मुझे मेरे बाप को समर्पित करना है, because he happened to be son of a constable. आपकी टेक्नोलॉजी है, you have a great team, your people have purchased the land and I am with you. मिनिमम अपने को कमाने की लालच नहीं रखने का है, कमाने का सबको है, पर जितना आवश्यक है उतना ही कमाना चाहिए, इसका इत पे मेरा पक्का भरोसा है। नहीं तो ज़्यादातर क्या होता है, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट कैसे बनाने का और सबको बेवकूफ़ बनाने का और उल्टे सुल्टे काम करने का, यही काम मैक्सिमम लोग कर रहे हैं। ये मुझे भी दिखता है और आपको भी शायद पता है। सो अफोर्डेबल हाउसिंग में वही लोग रहने वाले जिनके पास ईमानदारी का और बहुत मेहनत का पैसा रहने वाला है। वो पैसा कैसा रेज करने वाले और कैसा रिपे करने वाले, वो कल्पना हम नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज वी आर नॉट इन दैट कैटेगरी। सो rendering services to human being is rendering service to the God. This is human service. This affordable housing project, and you all associated with this project under the leadership of Mr. Prabhu, You all deserve great compliments. I think we all need to do something, because after years' time, and as probably predicted by Mr. Nostradamus, somebody has come in the form of our Prime Minister, who really wants to make everybody a house owner till the year 2022, as you all of us we know. Finance is the problem. So there are so many other problems. We would like to make everything easy. I am willing to get associated with all of you in all terms and conditions which are amicably comfortable to each other. I can manufacture 3 lakh square feet of house in months' time. Of course, this will start only after Maharashtra Day. And I had already spoken to Honorable CM about this before his swearing in, after that also. In last police foundation program at State Police Headquarters, he asked me, "अरे मोहन राव तुम्ही येणार होता proposal घेऊन?" तो मैं कहा सर अभी मैं तैयार कर रहा हूँ. I am yet to get myself ready to launch. And yesterday Mr. Aute told me about this seminar. So I coincidentally became part of this today's function. And all that is going to be for a great cause for a common man and for a poor man, for underprivileged man, for so many people who sleep on street. God will really bless all of you, those who are sincerely working with this organization. I will be always with you. Be in touch with me. Thank you very much. I'll give you my number if you all require. My mobile number is 84510 40879. Now I'll give you. Everybody is noted. I repeat, 84510 40879. And my another number is 9870 415 664. ये पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट वाला है पुराना. और मेरा नाम है मोहन राठौड़. And my mail ID is mohan.rathodIPS@gmail.com. mohan.rathodIPS@gmail.com. Mohan.rathod. So thank you very much. Thanks once again.